Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tawde from Gossip Funda. Our today's video focuses on the problem of iPhone hotspot not showing up. There are three main issues. First, hotspot grayed out. Second, no hotspot option. Third, hotspot not working or devices cannot connect. Let us look at the solutions to resolve these issues. First, hotspot grayed out. Issue: the personal hotspot option is visible but not selectable or is grayed out. Cause: this typically occurs when the iPhone is in airplane mode or there are network configuration issues. Ensure that the airplane mode is turned off. To do this, go to your settings and disable the toggle after the airplane mode option. Second is to confirm that cellular data is active. For that, go to settings and mobile services and ensure that the cellular data is switched on. So, this solution resolves the hotspot grayed out issue. Second, no hotspot option. Issue: the option to enable or view personal hotspot is missing from the settings in the menu. Cause: this may be due to issues with the cellular plan or any other software bugs or network issues. Solutions to resolve this problem are: first, check the cellular settings, for which you have to go to the settings and select mobile services and check that it is visible and the cellular network is working correctly. Second is the carrier setting update. Go to settings, general and about. If a carrier setting update is available, please install it. This will resolve the issue related to missing options. The third step is to restart your iPhone to ensure that all the settings are properly loaded after any change. Third problem: hotspot not working or devices cannot connect. Issue: the personal hotspot appears in the setting and is enabled, but other devices cannot connect to the hotspot or it disconnects frequently. The solution for this is to force restart your iPhone. That is, you quickly press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold the side button, that is the power button of the phone, until the Apple logo appears. This can resolve the software glitch and may affect the hotspot connection. Second step is to reset the network settings. For this, you go to settings, general, reset, and then you reset the network settings. The third option is to update your iPhone. Check for any frequent updates present in the iPhone and make sure that the iPhone is running on the latest iOS version. Go to the settings, then general, select software update, install the latest update. I hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Fun.